At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, a 54-year-old man from St. Mary has been charged with the rape of a 12-year-old girl in his community between September 2023 and January 2024. Conrad Gray was charged by detectives attached to the Port Maria Criminal Investigation Branch. The police say that during the period mentioned, Gray went to the home of the 12-year-old girl, held her down, and had sexual intercourse with her against her will. My wisdom warriors, 54-year-old man, 54-year-old man went to the home of a 12-year-old. You hear all them something here? You hear all them something here? So wait there. Wait. Gray went to the home of the 12-year-old girl, held her down. So where was the parent? Where was the parent in all this? Where was the parent? This just sound like the man just turn up at the house and do what he have to do. Like, them are something in right. And you know why them are not even stop? Because you have man like Delroy Chuck and Andrew Holness do not want to publish the sexual offender registry. They don't want to do that. Because apparently Delroy Chuck don't want them to be punished twice. Yes, my wisdom warriors, if you're new to the channel, me I gonna make you hear the video. A lot of people hear this video clip. A lot of people hear it with Delroy Chuck. Delroy Chuck said the raper boy them, it is not fair for the raper boy them to be punished twice. You hear what me I tell you? This is what Delroy Chuck say. Delroy Chuck say it is not fair for the raper boy them to be punished twice. My wisdom warriors, if we want our kids to be protected, if we want our children to be safe, we have to get rid of the Jamaica Labour Party administration. It needs to be dismantled. It needs to be dismantled once and for all. We're tired of Uno. We're tired of Uno. A long time we're out here. Long time we're out here. And we have said Delroy Chuck, publish the names of the raper boy them. Why you keep it a secret? I do not know. You pass it and never come out and talk about it. You hear the bloggers them talk about everything. And you skip out that the part there. You know, come and address the nation. What a whole heap of pitney go missing, my wisdom warriors. 11 pitney go missing. 11 pitney go missing from a care home, a state care home in Jamaica. Within the space of 2 months. I'm going to see Andrew Holness come and do press briefing. You never check that yet? You never look on that yet? Andrew Holness never do a press briefing for all the missing children them we are going missing. Never. So when I tell me say this government care about us and our children, Jamaica, wake up. You hear me? Wake up. Police in Grenada on Wednesday confirmed that the body of a woman was discovered in a vehicle that was swept away by floods caused by excessive rainfall on Tuesday. Head of the Community Relations Department, Inspector Maureen John, said that officers are now investigating the matter to determine whether the woman was a victim of the flood. My Grenadians, I want to go on over phone place there. If any Grenadians in the house wanna just comment for me there and make me know what I go on. Boy, I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. The Kingston Central Police are reporting the seizure of 38 assorted rounds of ammunition and a 9mm Mach 11 submachine gun in an abandoned building during an operation on King Street on Wednesday. Reports are that about 6:30 a.m. lawmen were in the area when the building was searched. During the search, the submachine gun with a magazine containing 15 9mm rounds and an additional 13 9mm rounds and 10 5.56 rounds of ammunition were seized. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors, No, sir. 38 rounds of ammunition, submachine gun found in abandoned building in a Kingston. Well, my wisdom warriors, I have an update about the 3 officers that has been detained. So, based on information received relating to the recent fatal shooting incident in East Kingston involving members of the JCF, the High Command has instructed that the policemen involved be detained while the Independent Commission of Investigation INDICOM continues its probe. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? The incident, which occurred on the morning of November 10, 2024, involves 2 members from the Kingston East Division. The members report that while on patrol, they encountered a group of men along Windward Road. It is reported that during the encounter, gunfire was exchanged, resulting in the death of 3 men. One of the members sustained a non-life-threatening injury, and 2 illegal firearms were reportedly recovered from the scene. So, my wisdom warriors, in the come do the investigation. So basically, the police officer them have to stay detained until when after the investigation is done. Me like how this sound. No, me know say Indicom is working. Remember, I know Nestor Morgan was the same one came out and say how Indicom now have too much power over the JCF. Who remember that? Me talk about this months ago, my wisdom, or maybe about 6 months ago or 7 months ago. I talk about it. You know, so I forgot try to find that video there. I forgot try to find that video there. Because this is the same very Indicom. This is the same very Indicom that is concerned about how so much people are dying by the security forces. They are so concerned and they're worried. Jamaica, if you Indicom worried, oh no, not worry. No, sir. This serious, you know. This serious. We need for protest against them. We need for protest against the JCF because I owe them out here a help. I don't see them help nobody because I peer youth are dead left, right, and center, and everything they talk about shoot out, shoot out, shoot out, shoot out, shoot out. Every single thing. One of stop it, man. It's terrible now. Seriously, on a serious level. One of stop it, man. Mighty God of Daniel. Anyway, me say Andrew Holness, I collect one, I don't know, some frame or something. JCF, them a honor him or show their appreciation for what I do not know. Lord Jesus. But when I was looking at this video clip, my wisdom warriors, me say about Andrew Holness for get this award. Andrew Holness, you know, it should be Horace Chang. But I have the video here, so I want to take a look at this.
It is an honor to present this token to you on behalf of Core 2 of the Inspector Development Program. We are thankful for your continued support of law enforcement in Jamaica. Your leadership, it strengthens our service and it ensures that we are better able to serve and protect our communities. We thank you for being here with us today.
My wisdom warriors. So Andrew Holness forget this here? Who they for really show their appreciation to? It's supposed to be Horace Chang. This is interesting. This is really, really interesting. So how comes them bypass Horace Chang and gone to Andrew Holness? Something alright, my wisdom warriors. And you see him, he love them something there, you see? He love when people big him up, you see? Me say the man love when people big him up. When you see how the way man look on the picture, you couldn't take in your half of it. Me blows and skirt. You take a good look on the picture about 10 seconds. You know see? No, sir, but really and truly, Horace Chang shouldn't get it. How comes Andrew? So Andrew Holness are him responsible for the JCF. Me realize him responsible, Jamaica. Sister, we was right all along. Because how can you, me never see yet then take up nothing and give Horace Chang. And then bypass Horace Chang. And, Lord Jesus. But my wisdom warriors, in my opinion, is just a planting. You don't know me already. It is just a planting to make Andrew look good. We all know the little trick and the little strategy. It not go work. It not go work. Because Andrew not get another term. If you had difficulties getting through to practitioners in the entertainment and creative sector on Tuesday evening, chances are that they were at the offices of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport on Trafalgar Road to witness this historic signing of a group life and health insurance plan worth some 55 million between the ministry and Guardian Life Insurance Company. My wisdom warriors, guess who was there? Box cover. When me see it, me say me did have to come show one of this. Not the one L.A. Lewis taking this.
The greatest. I heard it?
Yeah. Kingston.
Somebody once asked me how to be a legend. And I said, LA, you're so popular worldwide. I said, some of my greatest inspiring is Olivia Grange. Any corner you put her in, she will always shine.
Right.
When some girl at Jizzle. You understand? I big up Edward Siaga, I big up Portia Simpson Miller, and big up Andy Shaw. So those are my favorite politicians. Them cross the border, pass puncher. These are superstars. I-L-O-V-E-Y-O-U.
My wisdom warriors, me say anyway, the bandwagon there, L.A. Lewis there. Me say him love the hype and the attention. My box cover, no other day. Hey, L.A. Lewis can cost them, you know, so in cost Nigel, you know, seeing a hitch up pan Nigel. Anyway, the pananak, him affidede. Anyway, him feel like say there is prosperity, or him feel like yeah prosper a little bit, him affidede. No man, seriously, L.A. Lewis have to do better in a life. No, sir. My wisdom warriors, me have to really laugh, you know. Me have to really laugh. And you know, say if you see Andrew Holness, say when I'm going to shake Andrew Holness the hand and tell Andrew Holness how he's the best in the world. It's the same way I'm going to do. We can't take L.A. Lewis serious. No, I don't take L.A. Lewis serious. I have to really laugh. I don't take, listen, L.A. Lewis a comedian. But don't tell me one thing still. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people want to run over to my other channel. It is called PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K. The link are there in the comment section. And you can reach me on my WhatsApp. The number is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.